and weapons. We'll be deploying shortly.
Cho không vào anh.
All stations ready to go. Stand by. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Kim buông.
Nè.
Cho của mình quay tên.
Pacific game.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy.
Chắc còn. Kéo anh nhà này về.
Total lang ako sa kaya
Enemy UAV is online.
जल्दी तो लगता है Kila bang jaga.
You have reinforcements inbound.
That's a party, yeah. Come on, man. Come crowd.
Loadout drops on the way.
Dashi dead. Oh. Come on, ninja, man.
Overhead. Enemies are dropping into the area.
May pati la room ngan. Room!
Your squad mate is redeployed.
Thank you.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map.
Get la gang na ito.
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Hindi ba luto
Gas
siya?
is closing in. Lost that one, but we'll get a W next time.
What would you shout if you stubbed your toe? So awful! Give me a number.
Load and ring.
6-8-0-1. Give me a made-up fact about
Yo.
What it do? Dope. Oh, I gotta hit. I think I had you, dog.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, I just seen it now. Right there. We just got smackaroni. we got it. Let me change my operator. Maybe that's why, bro. With this big ass head he got on.
Here's a present for you.
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright.
Yeah, we just came off
Search and destroy. I saw that. But do you know you're in a
But ain't
do
swing.
you know you're in a private
Enemy soldier incoming.
party? Like nobody can join you?
Check weapons in gear. We're holding for deployment.
Bitch.
I think you locked it.
Yeah, no, I brought my cousin with him.
What's up, bro?
You said what? What's up, though?
How do you get some wins?
Yeah, let's try. I barely just got on, so we're gonna try. Woo.
Stronghold?
Get it.
We going for that
Yeah,
straight
let's go.
motherfucking push?
Alright.
Let's hit this LZ first.
Stay alive.
Turning hot.
She's gonna get us killed.
Why you do that? Come on,
Shut
man.
up!
No, you got fucked up.
I'm talking shit all the time. I'm fucking
Ooh, you almost got me.
shit. That's nasty. I knew that was gonna happen.
Oh shit, up on the roof. On the damn roof. Oh, he's reviving him on the roof. He's going down the stairs. To you, Toadette. Or you're running from him.
Bro, how did it kill me though? I don't get that. You dumb
Oh,
fucking
shit.
little rat dog.
What?
I had the best gun in the world.
Ain't no way.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Whoever picks there needs their whole picked in.
Where we going now? We're not going. I ain't finna go
I'm
back. How? You already
I'm
back.
going to living
Oh, no, you're not.
quarters.
I'm on my way.
Go get off.
From misery to happiness
I
today.
was gonna say that.
Alright, I'm
Come
going.
with
my
us
way.
tonight.
No, we just. Oh shit! Oh, get over here! I'm on the top of the roof. Someone come to me. He throwing
Where?
shit. He wants me. Go quick, quick! He's coming up the stairs.
Alright,
Now
here we
he's
go.
here.
Oh no.
How slow? That can't come across the fucking world for me, and you can't even come around the corner. He's still laying up there, bro. He's laying up there. Kill him.
Yeah.
Shoot that bitch's little fucking pussy off. Bitch, where did you go? You guys are there? No. Are you gonna die?
Damn, those motherfuckers right there. Watch out, y'all.
You're gonna die.
Someone protect me!
Come over, come down here.
Run.
Reinforcements inbound.
Come to the ship.
What are you doing, Big Morch?
Running away from them. From getting
From
shot
who,
at, as you
fucker?
heard. Someone's following us.
From where? Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh
yeah,
shit, the whole
exactly.
squad.
Wow.
Bro, the whole squad.
Just hide,
Wow,
you
he
lot.
had his finger right up my bum hole then and wiggled it a bit.
And wiggle it. And put it
Yeah.
in.
And out. And in.
And he just
fighting,
went.
they're fighting,
He
they're
just
fighting.
fucking like, you know. Then he farted on it and he smelt it.
Enemy movement.
Fuck off. What?
If it was a guy I really
Onto
liked,
the fuck roof.
if it was a guy I really
I'm not
liked,
giving you
yeah,
the
you could fart on my
satisfaction.
finger.
I know you'd let Lizard fart on your finger. For show.
To
Oh,
the
pull his
water.
hair back? Oh, god damn! God damn!
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Don't even talk about that dog.
Sick of hearing about it,
I
eh?
miss that dick, bro.
She's
Well, she's right there.
addicted to what Lizard's addicted.
What the fuck?
You know what that's off?
What is that off? It's from something I know, but what
There
is
ain't no
that?
way, bro.
Full
Oh,
brother.
yeah, I remember that.
Jackie.
Yeah.
Jackie.
Damn.
Dumb kids wanna fucking run outside.
Nice.
Stand by for redeployment. You have reinforcements.
I was doing. I gave him everything. I was half a virgin when
That's
I
me.
was
Oh
him.
shit, that's
Ah!
Oh.
Please, Mr. Clown, don't kill me.
damn. It's alright, I'm still warming up. Come on now, chat. Here I come, Yellow. Save the day.
Enemy UAV is
There's one on the buy station. Oh no, that's fucked up.
Oh shit.
I hit that one on the buy station pretty good. I mean, on the boat, I fucked his ass up.
Damn, I just like nearly had my head all the way up your ass.
When
thought I got
Snow
up the
here
ladder
for breakfast. Yeah, well, she's over
Yeah. Oh shit.
here.
Got
Nice.
him.
Get your mochila.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Wait for door. Nasty. Hello world. This is me.
Now I can breathe again.
I got an amber box. Let's go up. Let's go up before the storm plucks us.
Ammo box here.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To the prison?
I'm not going to prison. I'm innocent.
Alright, let's go, Grandma.
You're guilty.
Thank you.
You're guilty of sucking dick too shit. You're guilty of not sucking that dick, huh?
We got it. Oh, they're shooting at us now. Watch out.
On roof. Oh, fucking rat.
Yeah. Can I see her?
Yeah, I break
Get
him.
in.
Oh fuck. Run. Where we running to, huh?
Grandma, Grandma. Grandma, no.
Oh,
That precision.
Don't worry. I got you.
Grab me. Quick, he's coming behind us!
No, no.
Oh, he just got fucked up. We can't save you. We can't.
He's right there.
oh, beef. Damn.
We'll be alright.
Well, that was just bro. He's just
That's
sitting
a
on
good
there. We
warm-up.
didn't really lose. What's fucking horrendous? How many people died? Maybe 6? Maybe 1?
Get it, let's get it.
Kitty!
Mm-hmm. Cute, cute. Oh, now I'm the party leader. All right, wait. Let me put this on. Wait, real quick. All right.
Toadette, want to see something crazy?
Yo, can you hear her? Yo, Rain, do you like the HDR?
Enemy soldier incoming. Rucker, you're headed to the water. Make time over. Stand by for support.
Alright, don't let Toadette pick.
Alright, we got it. Yo, Ethan, charge my phone, please. Charge my phone, please. Charge it, please. No, not that one. The charger. Sorry, I'll talk to my son. This one. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, let's go factory. Oh, where are you guys going? Alright.
I don't even know.
Alright. Harper. Let's go scan our eyeballs. Come on now. Follow me. Follow my lead. Right here. Alright. My money's right here, y'all. You know what? I'm gonna crap that ground. Fuck it.
Need recon overhead.
Alright, I'm back. What was I gonna say?
You up, y'all?
I'll put
I got 40 some seconds left. I got 40 some seconds left.
So she got 3 kids now.
Oh, you guys bought? Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Damn.
Enemy advanced UAV is
Who's the baby? Who's the
Hi,
first baby
Dylan.
daddy?
Peter Hummer? He's from Walliga Lake,
Really? I don't know
New
him.
South Wales, yeah.
secure. Well
What
I
a
don't
You
know
don't
him.
know
what a
everyone,
grenade.
fuck you.
I don't fucking
Alright,
know
yeah,
him.
Ammo box here.
And I don't want to know him. None of
Dang. What's up, Chad? What's up, Chad?
He's fucking
Give me a thumbs up, please.
my mob from
This cunt, you're related to everyone on which sides, cunt. Related to
know.
Renee, related to Corey. Fucking hell.
Yeah, well, the Thomas is from Ollie, like a mob is you know Uncle Colin with Auntie Bobby Yates.
Yeah.
Yeah, the same sort of Thomases. Yeah.
Boy,
Sorry,
why you go up
Sergeant,
there?
you gotta
finna
die.
get clapped.
Oh, come on now. I clapped him.
What, and she got the upper to the Haven?
Yeah. Did anyone want to specially?
Shit, no way.
Oh shit. Who's that?
No, these motherfuckers sniped me up there. No.
He sniped your bitch ass. He got you, boy. He
No.
gotcha.
I tried, you know.
Your stuff is still here, though. If you
Alright,
want to
I'm going
land
back.
back.
I'm going back. I'm going sharp
Yeah,
straight
yeah. All your
to you.
stuff's still there.
Getting another shot. Weapons free.
Somebody's right there, though.
Oh, how? Where are these other two dogs? Could have came and saved me.
Oh,
She's low. You want to kill her?
very,
Yay!
Oh.
Bro, I ain't got no damn gun, alright?
That's shame, girl. I want to go back up there. Can you just come up there? Fuck you. It's just
Yes,
two fucking sticking your
yes.
fucking fingers in your holes. Come now. I want my
Don't you
guns
worry
back to
about
that
what I'm
Rudy
doing with my
dog.
hole.
Bro, Rudy's there, the dog. He's stealing my stuff. I just want it back.
No, how the hell I shot him so many times, that motherfucker never did that. Oh, there's somebody on the loadie.
Bro. You killed Rudy! I'm coming back for my stuff!
Yeah.
Come for the loadie.
Don't say yes like it was that easy, because you had all the fucking guns.
It was that
Yeah.
easy.
We had nothing. We was up here fucking our hands in our pants. We
Well,
was
What
like,
do you say,
pants on the
bro?
ground, pants on the ground.
Oh my god.
oh, Rudy left the game too, the dog. The red slut. Eating fucking people's food, the dog. Oh, yeah, that's right, boy. That's right, little boy. That's right, little boy. You want that shit, boy? Oh, shit.
I shot him.
Boyfriend's, Thank you.
I've got a utility box here. If anyone
Bro,
needs
this
me to
cunt.
put down for
Yeah,
armor
please.
or ammo or
Where are
you want
you?
it down?
guys left me?
Are you back over here?
I was back over
Yeah,
there.
dude.
make your mind up what you wanna fucking do. Fuck you.
Yeah, put it down. Fuck up, wait now.
Brick, brick, brick. Top,
Alright,
top,
I'll put it
top,
down
top,
here.
top. Sorry, sir. You're in the wrong spot.
Good as new.
He was in the right
Is that a
spot.
Samoan guy I just killed? I think so.
It's Ren's man.
Setting mine.
No, I don't fuck with Polynesians.
Why? Why's that now?
It was too little, lad.
Come on
It was
now.
too little.
No, I've got Maori cousins, so
Don't be tripping, man.
Trigger.
yeah, Melissa.
That's a
I'm
cool
a
thing
Watch
to
out,
fucking.
prison is right
I
there.
got
You don't
my
like?
best friend's black.
And my
Oh, hell
cousin Andy. He's Maori.
Who?
Watch out, somebody's
Andy.
shooting yellow. What are you shooting? Alright,
He's the one
somebody's
that
in the
was
car.
in the metal band.
Vehicle disabled.
What metal band?
He jumped it.
Let's go kill him. Oh, he died? What? Why do you let me down,
Wait,
you guys? Why you do that to me, bro?
Are we pushing somewhere or? Oh, someone hit me right above.
Right above. Got you. If you cover that, we're coming in. Oh,
Here,
oh shit.
oh, I'll be fucked.
Got him. Come back for your stuff.
You got him too late. Fuck yeah.
Let me buy a loadie.
I'm sick of you.
You want to
fucking
chill
sick of
out,
you.
eh? Just take
You
a
know
chill
what? When I get back, I'm gonna fucking knock your teeth in.
I got no tape left now. Hurry up and grab your shit
Well,
before
I'm
I just
gonna-
grab it for you.
Another one
Shit
just
behind
landed.
us. Behind us, fuck you, I said. Stop looking at your shit. He's sniping.
I'm trying to grab my shit. Fuck yeah.
I don't know where this cunt is sniping from.
Overhead. Enemy UAV is online. UAV is bingo fuel. Returning
Oh, right there.
Break.
Oh, downed him. Get his little ass.
Got him.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
That was a good one.
Fuck around. You found out, dog. Yeah.
Just kidding.
Too cheeky now.
Where the fuck am I getting shot from now? Oh, fire sale. Oh,
It
wait.
just ended.
It's over. What the fuck? I didn't remember that being on.
Hostile UAV in the area.
We always find out too late, eh?
Additional target.
Oh.
I'm fucking sick of Arthur.
Destroyed. Hell of a shot.
How many times does this cunt keep coming back?
Oh.
Attack map to hunt down the rest of them.
The dog.
What do we even call you? FSM or Cosray or
Sam. Half.
FSM?
Call him
Half.
Cosray.
You call me
Call him
half.
Cosray.
Matter of fact, you call me half.
Cosray.
Cosray.
UAV overhead.
We call you Ray Ray.
What's much?
Yeah,
Ray
call
Ray,
me Ray.
look at me.
Yeah, I like that. Call me Ray.
I don't care about fuck.
Hey, there's
Give a
people on the
fuck,
back. There's
Keisha.
people on the back.
On the what?
On the back.
There's people what?
Does
On the
anyone
back
need
of
their
your-
loadout gun?
Nah, much.
The loadout thing over
Yeah,
here.
on the back. It's like they're
Oh,
here.
can you just make your mind up? Where you
No,
going?
that's
You
a
going
lie.
here, there? Where? Oh, I got some cheddar zini.
Everywhere.
There's a lie.
Oh,
I
what
repeat.
is that?
Bro, where's the buy? I need to go to this buy station because. What the fuck?
Let's go to the buy station then.
I need to get self revive, gas masks.
Somebody's here.
This is good. Got him.
Self-revive in here if you need it, FSM.
Got you.
Out of my ass!
Go up. Come on now.
My God, all that for nothing.
Oh,
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
mask nearly fucking
Let's go
gone,
right
but I
side.
just bought-
Yeah!
Right side.
All that for nothing, man. Oh shit, someone just landed.
Whereabouts? Yeah, I see him. Going to the bar.
No more. Bye bye for you, boy.
Alright,
Is
we're
there someone on
good
the
here. We're good
roof?
here.
And that someone just jumped down.
Watch out for the roof.
I'll get a UAV for us.
All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Oh, yep, got him.
There's someone at the back of this house here.
Does anyone need to buy anything?
UAV.
Did I kill him or what?
Yeah,
One
I've
behind
got
us.
the
Oh
One
UAV.
shit!
behind us.
someone's on me.
Where are you?
I'm in here.
I.
I'm so
You're in
scared.
prison.
No, not in the prison exactly.
In the prison yard.
Barnyard.
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Get to the
Launch
safe
with.
zone. You've got gas moving in.
Bro, I just fucking said.
They're buying. They're buying.
It is that. Behind us! Oh my god.
Yeah.
He's right there. Get that little
Sorry.
dog. No, not you. The gun came up behind me.
That's it,
Oh,
bro.
we got that.
There.
Yo. Don't see.
We got you, bitches. We got you.
Well, I'm gonna flip
Okay.
the
And
shit
this
out
dog.
of
What should we
Turn
die?
on.
it. Nice, kamikaze.
But that's.
And rain and dope.
Verdansk and Rebirth victory we've got tonight.
Oh, who's coming up on the lead now? Yo, is that
Me.
you? No, I'm just playing. Yo, I can't
At
wait to
least
stand.
Rio won something.
Don't back out, wait, I need to see the records. Oh yeah, I love it.
Did I?
Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Start another one. Kamakasi, where are you? Kamakasi. I think it's done. Let's back out and. Hey, go Kamakasi. Oh, I'm the lead. What the fuck? I'm way too high right now. So chat, give me a like now.
Oh, up on the roof.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment is towards us to the north side. Enemy
We all
soldier
here?
incoming.
Alright.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy.
Way
get-
graphic.
Where are we going? Strong? Oh shit, alright.
Oh,
Miragon,
we
Miragon.
go on to Stronghold?
No, no, no.
Are you
No,
coming
go
to
over there. Yeah, I'm coming.
Stronghold?
I'm coming to you guys.
Alright.
Enemy UAV is online.
Oh shit. I think she might be AFK.
You have reinforcements.
I'm gonna come over here and get a loady.
Copy that.
We've got a loadout drop inbound.
Taking fire.
I'm here this week. Sorry, one second. Just count what's the whole.
Who?
Some random dog.
Better
They'll
not
give
be
him more
the
chances.
Jennifer.
Who? No. I did go out with him though, you
More
know.
chances.
Did I tell you?
Dropping into the AO.
No? Is it Miz? You're on the phone too?
Yeah, fuck no. I would never talk to him unless it's on the game, bitch.
I know you just said that you were given more chances, so I just assumed.
Oh, nice kill, Kamikaze. Another one,
Nah.
another one.
I
You
like
need
to
backup.
legit
You
get
need
some
backup.
chances.
Oh shit!
Alright, one sec. I just
Thought I
gotta
got
move
him
all
in
my shit.
time. Sorry, Kamikaze.
No, you good?
Shit, one sec.
Oh shit!
Your squad mate is redeployed.
Nice, man.
Well done.
Someone's on the roof.
Come on, get up. I got you.
No, who has the old school Nokia? Oh shit! Is our loadie's still there. I'll come back and get it.
Squad mate's back on station. Good work. Incoming LVBR. Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh. Don't know where from.
This motherfucker died on the tunnel.
We're returning you to the front. Early.
Oh shit.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Do we want to push through to Chem?
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Frick, one shot. One shot, one shot. Fuck!
Shit.
I almost got him, bro. He got kamikaze gun, bro. Let's go.
Oh, fuck off!
Still in the same. Sorry, sorry.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
We'll get him back.
Gas is closing in.
Okay, so what do you drive? I don't know, I just want to draw a person. Hey, Mikey, can you outline me? Okay. Huh, this is gonna be so cool. I don't know why you picked up such a weird topic. Okay, I won't. Mikey, how does it... Oh my god, I am so bad. Okay, I'm done. Wait, don't go. I need your help with something. Can you please put caution tape so nobody goes on it? Where did you get caution tape? Mikey, it doesn't matter. We have to put caution tape so nobody ruins it. Okay. It looks like a crime. Like a work of art? Yeah, I know. This looks so cool. I'm gonna get that. Nick, I don't think so. Hey, Mikey. Hey, Dad. What did you do? What's wrong? I can explain. Nick, what? You want to get...
Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
Sir, I am Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Now tell me who you really are, or I'll shoot you.
No, no, please, don't do this. I am Berber Patapim.
Show me your true form.
Sir, I am Tung 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 Sahur.
Friends, like and subscribe if you are real. Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
Sir, I am Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Now tell me who you really are, or I'll shoot you.
No, no, please, don't do this. I am Berber Patapim.
Show me your true form.
Sir, I am Tung 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 Sahur.
Friends, like and subscribe if you are real. Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
Sir, I am Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Now tell me who you really are, or I'll shoot you.
No, no, please, don't do this. I am Berber Patapim.
Show me your true form.
Sir, I am Tung 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 Sahur.
Friends, like and subscribe if you are real. Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
Sir, I am Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Now tell me who you really are, or I'll shoot you.
No, no, please, don't do this. I am Berber Patapim.
Show me your true form.
Sir, I am Tung 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 Sahur.
Friends, like and subscribe if you are real. Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
Sir, I am Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Now tell me who you really are, or I'll shoot you.
No, no, please, don't do this. I am Berber Patapim.
Show me your true form.
Sir, I am Tung 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 Sahur.
Friends, like and subscribe if you are real. Hey, why all of you looking like tralalero tralala? Now quickly, tell me, who are you?
You know what? Let's do Grandma one. Come on. We gotta get you right. Don't worry. Here we go.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors. If you win, you get to pick the candy of your choice. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ha! You did rock. I'm paper. So I won. Oh no, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
Use it's time for some target practice. Real things coming. Green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
Alright.
Alright, let's
I'm not
get it.
picking where we're landing.
Alright, let's go to... over here.
Stay left.
Sorry guys, I did something, that's why I keep going. Come on, kill him. It's not that guy. Yeah.
Get him.
One right here.
There's a self-revive here if you want it.
Sorry about me. Now let's get it. We need more money. Hopefully the bounty did.
Alright.
I got some money. Just a little bit more.
I'm looting.
Come back, I got it. I'm on the bunker. Baby, come back!
Oh, can...
Yo, come on back. Come back. We got it.
We got enough?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Alright, heading back. I'm grabbing a...
All bounty targets are KIA. Well done. All squad mates are in the safe zone.
Got a munitions box.
Mission airstrike ready for tasking.
Did you need a self-revive?
Négatif. Battle phase full. Battle phase full. Cannot comply.
Wait, where's the loadie? Over there.
No, they're trying to buy it. I got a kill streak over here. Come grab it.
Found an airstrike. Question close air. Target
Never mind.
Precision airstrike standing by. Copy. Longbow 3-1.
Hostile located.
Shot missed. No join.
Are we getting the loadout here at this buy station?
Drop the money, y'all. Please.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it on buy.
Please.
Drop my money on buy.
Break, coming to you guys. Mm-hmm.
Loadout drop inbound.
Or do we just want to go to that loadout back there?
Yeah, let's just stick that.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Alright, we might as well just get this lady here. Shit.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Hey, what the fuck? They're here? Bro. I swear to crouching, bro.
Got contact.
Your squad mate's back on station.
Come down here and shoot us, bro.
Someone just landed in there. Someone's landing in down there.
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad. Get hunted. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Alright, we need to get out of here.
Oh shit. Alright, let's go right. Oh no, we gonna go up or what? Let's go up?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go up.
Do we want another loadout? Does everyone have their loadout weapons?
We can buy a loadout down there. Blue, I got some. Oh, you got it already.
Yeah. I'll bring it up.
Got it there.
I'll try put it on
Fire sale is active. Fire station front is shut.
Friendly ammo box here.
where is everyone?
They're all the way
I'm
over
gonna
there.
put
Just
it
drop it
outside
here.
of prison.
Enemy soldier
Somebody's
incoming.
coming.
I just dropped it here. On the other side of the fire station.
Surgeon's window is empty. Watch your six.
People in prison top.
Squad's in the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving.
Oh, you all up on the water tower. Armor circulator.
Enemy movement. Answer my last. Scratch head.
Move to the safe zone. You've got gas moving in. 25 are left. Stay sharp out.
You good over there? There's a team there.
Got him.
Got him.
5 squads still operational in the AR.
Throwing thermite.
You're in the top 10. Keep knocking them down.
Enemy movement.
Three squads left in the war zone. Stay alert. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. Enemy UAV is online.
Enemy here.
Ammo here. Friendly ammo box here.
Stay there, don't come down.
Get to the safe zone. Gas is inbound. All remaining. Stay sharp.
Oh shit.
Back on my feet. I'm good.
Just one left. Only one player. We gotta kill him before we play cast on us.
He has to be in. Is in some way. Well, we can't buy back teammate, so
Got him.
he's there.
Oh. Another one. Oh shit. Oh shit. We gotta go for dance so we can get slapped. We've been winning this shit. crazy. Commando Kamikaze. Oh, Immortal. Alright. Sniper.
Yeah, me, my
I'm sorry, you say what? Rain, I'm sorry, you say what?
no, same, me, my 2 kills was immortal.
I mean, because he didn't die, you didn't, oh no, you died 5 times. Well, sometimes they give you stuff, depends on your reaction. So you're doing great, that's why. Toad, doing great too, Toad. I don't know why my partner don't talk, but it's alright, we're still winning.
I'm back home.
Who was you on the phone to?
Oh, this random cat. Oh my days, what? This cat is so. Bro, he's so petty, bro.
What?
He's a.
You crazy breaking those boys' heart right there.
He got mad that I sleep people, bro. He bro, we haven't called. He's been begging to call for 5 days, yeah. But I've been busy.
Is the crash out like that lad, that baby daddy lad? When the
Which
Sagittarius. When he's talking to little Miss Sagittarius.
When? Wait, on what?
We're headed to the war zone.
You know that baby daddy lad?
Yeah, after this we're gonna go play Battle Royale.
That's always hitting on Amber.
Oh,
Yo, Amber.
Yeah. Yeah, no, oh my days. I don't know if he's joking though. I don't know if he's joking. This is the first time we talked, yeah? And, he was like, oh, you know, when was the last time you did the, you know? And I told him, and then he was like, do you still talk to them? Referring to Lizard. I said, yeah. And he goes, why? Like, do you just want the validation that they're there? Like, and I was like, I don't know. He's like, so if you called him and said, let's
do you want
fuck.
to be on the list or not?
Right, he was like, this is what happened. 4 days, he waited 4 days, and then he goes, when he found out that I'm still friends with Lizard, he goes, I waited fucking 4 days for this!
I know.
No, you crazy saying that. No, you fucking
and he's like, you're telling me everything I need to know right now.
Nah,
I'm like,
you don't
oh.
need
Alright,
to meet
stronghold.
You don't need to meet up with him.
I'm like, bro,
Got me on the list.
I ain't even met you. He's not even on the list.
We going to Stronghold?
Damn right.
Yeah, how? Strong door. F1, I see you. Hey. Hey. This can't create a dog still in order. Get away from it, fuck you. I'm gonna fucking shoot you in the head. I'm gonna shoot your old boy here, Ren. Motherfucker greedier than you.
Look, all the guns on the map aren't just for you, okay?
They are, and the leftovers are for anyone else who wants them.
Alright, let's buy a loadie. You're good.
I already got my load out, so you're not getting my money. And again, I dropped my money.
I got my loadie too, but just for the team. Oh, somebody's there.
Yep.
Top.
Yep, someone's in your hole.
Where? Up here.
Hey, Slumdog, you stink, boy. You stank.
No! They still up there? Or?
Yeah.
Where are they?
There's one
They're still
coming
up
for
on
me
the
right
roof.
now.
I'm here. Where the fuck are they, bro? Oh, they're down there. Yeah. One more, right?
Give me back my money,
Drop
boy.
your money. Drop your money,
Give me
please.
back my money, boy.
Where's your money, bro? There's a car coming in.
Bro, there's a girl in that
money,
car. Kill that hoe.
money, money.
Kill that hoe.
Money, money, money. Chicken. What is
Trying
that?
to
Chicken
grab it,
banana.
fuck yeah. Damn.
We got the Lodi
Grab that
already.
money. Pin that hoe.
We got Lodi already.
Yeah, so what the fuck you finna want my money for, huh?
You've been late. Your network has been late, sir. Sorry, man. Ooh, did I rob somebody's skills?
Yep.
I don't know whether to take C9 or the Car 98.
Car 98.
Do the car.
Car 98 help you out on
If I end
long
up
range.
dead, I'm blaming you too.
You stupid for coming back with you.
Hey, you're happy with your decision?
Hey, Slumdog, get your ass out here, boy. He fucked your shit up. He fucked you up.
Someone was trying to snipe us from over this way.
Got his puss ass. Get him, kill him, please. Oh, they rezzed him. There's two of them up there.
Yeah. Wait, who's getting down, Doria?
Dropped one.
Finished him for you, seeing as you couldn't get the job done. Yeah.
Because there's another dog running around. God, dog. Oh, no fucking dog.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good.
He's in this house, though.
Oh! Oh
Yeah,
shit,
guys.
someone's right here with me. Fuck's sake.
I told you, the cat was right there. Got his
Is that
ass.
the one you's missed?
Oh! He's out here. There's another one on my hooch.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Do I have time to go back to my shit?
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Moving to my mark. Enemy movement.
Where is this cunt? Airstrike. Walking in airstrike. Run,
Oh,
watch.
you fucking rat. Nah, this fucking cunt here.
You got blue
Cancel my last. Enemy marked.
Yep, I see his puss. Get his ass.
Your squad mate is redeployed.
Nice.
I'm gonna drop on living quarters.
Some of the squad is outside the safe.
Watch out, people in living.
Fucking hell, I tried to
the dog.
ditty him, but it didn't get
Yeah,
him.
grab him. He's coming to grab my ass cheeks and spread them so hard.
You like it?
I just want certain dogs.
The crash out loud, eh?
Your Squad mates
Oh.
on station. Good work. Marking down. Marking
Hold on. Nice.
Alright. I'm gonna have to...
There's someone that roof at living quarters.
Down.
Yep.
He did. Sip your
Oh,
ass.
no, he ain't
Sip
dead.
your ass. There's another one.
Enemy movement in the AO.
What does it mean when you pick up a red perk box? Is that like specialty?
Where's it coming at? I think.
No, it was like bright red, like,
What's it?
you know what? I was gonna put that down.
Bison.
Yeah,
Run
but
over here to
them
this fire
fellas
station.
up here.
Never mind, someone's sniping. Oh, can't.
Where was they?
Control. The whole
At
team.
the fire station, yeah, fucking right, dog. I'm going back for my guns if I die. Then who gives a fuck about me?
Marking the rest of that squad.
Not me.
Get hunted.
Can someone come meet me there where I died, please? Go to Bob!
Where are you?
I don't know, more I'm scared. I'm here, but...
Just...
Yeah, watch, just keep watch. If that dog is there.
One down.
Watch!
Fuck's sake, what?
I knew you was gonna die.
I was there to fucking help your hole. Where the fuck did
I
you
grabbed
go?
my shit, so what was you fucking doing to still standing there, Cam?
Oh, be fucked. Selfish dog.
God damn. Quick, brace yourself. Get his ass.
That's what I needed.
Run, you fat ass bitch, puss ass hoe.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Are you fucking drunk and pussy? Someone needs to grab me quick. Because, you know, someone just... Resurgence is done!
Well, kill
Give me
yourself
that
and you should be right.
It's fucking finished!
You'll be right.
These are dogs, they're
Where are
dying
ya?
dogs. I love you. I'm dead, go buy me back now. Fuck yeah.
I don't have enough.
Make it now. You better lend some money. Done 3,000. Hey.
Somebody's on
Come
top.
on, cuz. Can you grab me, bros? Grab me, my boy. Oh yeah, kill him and get his money. F1, you can grab me. Buy me
I
back,
got you,
bros.
I got you, bro.
Wrong one.
You stay in the house and I'll...
Nah, my boy's getting me. Oh look. Look how the turntables have tables. Yeah. See how they change?
Well,
like
this
that?
is my last game. Alright, I'll catch you tomorrow.
Ow, Penny!
Who fucking bought me back? Say.
Who was that?
I hope this cunt gets caught in a fucking storm.
Who?
Cunt that just killed me. And you dog.
I was gonna say, better not be me, huh?
Hope they grab your fucking slap. Hacking, I'm reporting you. Behind you. Someone landed in.
Hello.
Someone got brought back.
Yeah, you're big much.
Somebody.
You couldn't.
Yeah, not me. Not me. There,
The
they're
what?
coming up.
Oh, your dogs. They all love me,
Who
these
did you
cunts.
think you was? You thought you were John Wick, did you? Joan Wick, did you? Okay, now.
No!
They beat the
Blame that
hell
on
out of me.
Toadette. She jumped down and got mollywopped.
You fucking get her out, dude.
She got fisted in the bumhole properly.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
Look at that, bro. I was the marksman. See? I'll fuck that shit up, ho.
What did
I
I
just
even
like-
get no kills?
Yeah, you just fucking
Somebody
around.
just, yeah, cause someone just fucking took off, didn't even tell me they were going. So I think I'm guarding their ship. Around.
Almost, y'all. Where's your... Oh, is she done? I forget about that.
I don't know. Sometimes she lags out.
Alright, let's invite her.
Yeah, I'm spamming her right now.
I didn't see her name. I can't wait to clip that too, dub.
The dub.
The win that we had.
Here, she's messaging me.
Alright, I'll wait.
Yeah, she lagged out. So she's just loading in.
Alright, that's cool.
Back into the game.
Yo, my life is there's no music. It feels fucking boring, but I don't like the music on.
Are you on Twitch?
I'm on YouTube, but I just get back after 2 weeks on YouTube. I've been live on Twitch. Cause my Twitch has been dead for a long time.
What's your YouTube?
My name tag is my YouTube.
Your Activision game tag or your PlayStation?
My Activision name tag.
Because your PlayStation name is different, isn't it?
No, my Activation is the name. I'm sorry. But without the wands, know what I mean? Wait, shit, where the fuck am I?
Ah, that's why I couldn't find you. I put the ones.
Yeah, without the ones.
Was you any good on GTA?
Oh yeah. I love GTA. That's how I start playing. I mean, I started on Desert Storm, and then I come GTA for like a long ass time. Do you have GTA?
Yeah.
You on B5, right?
Yes. I used to.
Are you on
play
Are you on B5?
Crew Wars and shit.
PS5, I mean. You ran. What the fuck? I just started without. Where is she? Is she on? If she invites you, we jump on her. We jump out. You hear me?
Yeah.
I forget that we're waiting for her.
I'm just gonna put it down to you smoked a whole lot.
Yeah, maybe she's smoking, but I'm about to smoke later on.
Do you smoke it just like on its own or with tobacco?
Well, I smoke blunts and rolling paper and cigarette on the other side. I'll be having two motherfucker on my finger.
Most people I know over here that they smoke it with yeah.
You're talking about
tobacco.
Mix it together?
Like, yeah.
No way, you tripping, bro. No, you
I
crazy.
do over here.
No, my throat be fucked up every day. I mean, that's gonna make sense, but
I mean,
it's too much. But what the
like
fuck?
usually
Like, that's
go
a
like
stroke.
I'm going to get a.
Or you
I'm
gonna
going to
choke
get a
the fuck
mix.
out? Like you, like choke the fuck out for real.
Yeah, someone else landing here.
Yeah, somebody's here. Let's get the barn house or something.
Moving to my mark.
Yeah.
Somebody's still trying to land. Bro, this is the real lobby.
Oh, it's the real one, not the bot
Yeah,
lobby?
not the bot one.
Alright.
I think so. Maybe I tripped. Yeah, no, this is the bot. This is the bot one. Yeah, I just saw that. So, we can just scrap the crown, but we actually crap the bounty. It's alright.
We've got a bounty at the moment. There we go, can grab the crown one now.
Alright, coming in. Wait, let me kill that guy real quick. Oh, never mind, you kill. Where the fuck is this grown ass mother? Yo, what? Oh, it's outside. Oh, that's real people right there. Fuck, I gotta go. I need a car. Let me come to you. You gotta find a car because there's people right next to us. I got one. Kamikaze, where are you? Oh, alright, let's leave. Let's leave. She's here.
Yeah. Gus gotta face all them bots on his own.
Sorry, Kamikaze.
But Gus. Gus's pussy stank.
Gus the bus.
Cuss the boss.
That was so dry. That was so fucking dry.
No.
You don't even know what that's off, eh, do you, you dog?
What is that?
Benchwarmers.
What?
Brilliant. Irish. German.
Australian.
Australian.
Have
That's
you
my
not
Australian
played with me
friend.
before?
Oh?
Kamikaze.
Yeah, yeah, he played with us the other day that I joined
I
you.
remember her. She talking about she want to move in with you. She want your baby. She want to marry you.
What? You tripping, man?
I love you. No, I'm kidding.
Alright, we're married men, okay, and we appreciate it. But we good. But we could be friends on Warzone. Come on now.
Who?
We're loyal Pacific Islander, right?
We ain't friends.
We're friends,
and we never will be.
No, I'm saying we're
I
friends.
carry you from time to time, but that ain't shit.
Friends for benefits.
Yo, bro. Yo. Now Kamikaze say something crazy. Alright, let's get it. We gotta win this spot ass lobby though. That's the main goal.
Bruh.
I wanna post a pretend swing.
You're the
today.
bot in here. Fuck yeah.
Oh, look at him, he run. He died. I'm sorry, sir. He died.
Stand by for the deployment of the war zone.
Alright, this time we're going to the other side.
Boys.
We're going Superstore.
What?
Superstore. Like Superstore, bro. Yeah, Ray.
Uncle Ray gotta
It's
get
FSM, bro. Call me F. Yo, Hef.
Hef, as in Hugh Hefner.
And I call you, yo, D. What's up, D?
How the fuck did that man get all them bitches sucking on his balls and dick? Damn.
Money.
Yo, D, what's up? Cool.
It's amazing
Yeah,
what
you'd be
people
right there,
do for
mate.
money. Me?
You'd be right there for the money, fuck yeah.
Hell, I'd rather be on Centrelink.
You are, fuck yeah.
Alright, come on, let's get it.
Hell,
Chill out. Chill out? Oh no, it's not chill out, it's chill out.
Go to bed soon.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna
This
dream
makes
about
me
this
miss
long-haired
Modern
dog.
Warfare. Makes me think of Modern Warfare.
Yeah, I missed that.
What does it mean when you've been dreaming of someone so much?
I missed that. I missed the Sheik Island. What the fuck? What? Oh my god.
What's it mean when you shit in your dreams? Do you shit for real?
Oh my god, no way, bro.
I've had
never
that
experienced that. That would be, in order for you to do that, you gotta be sick or something, I think.
Sick in the head? Cause I am.
Like, your stomach is messed up or something, you know?
Oh, your stomach gets rearranged?
No, I get No, I get scared of ghosts. I get scared of ghosts following me to the toilet, so no kidding.
No, hell no, you no codes. No, they don't care no more. The codes don't care no more. They look at you like, yeah, they're like, ah, this is another.
Imagine a ghost like goes to
Oh shit, precision, bro.
You're taking a shit,
Precision.
they just take off.
I'm dying for no. Oh, that's
Or they're
real
talking
people. They're
on,
trying to get me.
One of them boxes, like, your shit stinks.
Think your pussy.
They tried to kill me for her. I'm a good guy, okay? Don't kill me, okay?
F1, you dog. Get away from me, I fuck you're stealing my kills.
That was me.
Oh man. It's fucking sick of you both.
It wasn't Ray Ray, it was me.
You know what my biggest fear is though? When you're getting it done from the back, you're getting body shots.
Oh my god,
You're getting
yo,
body
bro, I
shots.
thought you were about to say some
And then
real
they just kind of
struggling
miss
shit.
and they go on your asshole.
Is she talking about?
Did you see that video I sent you?
Which one?
With the Mario back shot?
Oh yeah.
No, watch out, somebody's here, y'all. I'm about to die.
It's just a bot.
Woo! Where the fuck
Stop
is he?
panicking. We don't got these.
Oh, let's buy a Lodi. What the fuck? We got 20k. Oh hell yeah. Let me have your money.
You
Come
got
on.
20k viewers. Wow.
Come on. Let me have. Yo, let me have your stuff, bro.
You're not having my money. I earned this.
Somebody's right there. I think that's a real dude or something. It's a real bot. Who got the money?
Kill his pussy.
Come across the
Who got the money?
Alright, let's get it. So you're on
Give me the
5-2, we
money.
got it. Oh, that's our friend.
Hi, Rhea.
Give me that money.
No, I'm gonna do better with the C9 pushing in fights.
This can.
Alright, I'm getting on my bike and going.
Pick me up,
Somebody's
fuck
shooting
yeah.
at me, bro.
I'm talking about this bike here, fuck yeah. Talking
Oh.
shit. Come here and have a look. Can you see it?
Yeah, you get it. I'd break that bike if that was me.
Someone real here? Near this car?
How long it took you to kill him, F1? God damn. I don't need bullets. You wanna miss? Sucker? Oh yeah.
Oh, I stole that.
Dirty old dog.
Yeah.
Yo, real
From
people
where?
behind.
Someone wanna come and grab me?
I'll
Coming.
go grab it. Oh, you... Okay, I'll finish this dude off. Oh, they gone. They did.
F1, you wanna pick me up? Fuck yeah.
I got you, bro.
Stinky dog.
No, that's a real guy? Yeah,
No,
that's
but-
a real motherfucker?
No, that's Pinocchio.
Pinocchio.
Oh,
Yo, he real. Look at him. He sucked. I'm sorry, little kid.
what a silly shark.
I'm sorry, little
Still
kid.
we.
Silly shark.
Oh, I got
You're so dry
10K.
tonight. You're so dry. God damn.
I heard a little giggle there.
You know what? I'm gonna get
I feel
another
bad for
loading.
ya.
Cause I need
Bruh.
something. I need something, alright?
I'm sick of you. Where are ya?
Fuck yeah.
You
I'll
fuck.
drop you.
Drop the
You
addy.
gotta move.
Drop the fucking addy. Drop the fucking addy.
Drop your
Move it in.
titties.
I'll show up in sunshine.
Oh, I'll come to work, okay?
Sunflower costume. Pull up with a sunflower
Wait, you actually
costume.
live in sunshine?
Maybe. Maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Well, you know?
No, the way that you just said that, you do.
Nah, no sunshine. I'm in Frankston, eh?
Fuck off. You wouldn't know what it is to live in Frankston. I'm a fucking former pine rat.
I'm in Frankston.
Okay, where? Frankston North or?
All over. I'm all over this place, huh?
Frankston North was the only place to be.
Nice.
I'm all around, you know, I'm everywhere.
Serial killers and all live there.
I know,
You know
that
Paul
old man.
Denya?
That's my sugar daddy.
No, you've heard of Paul Denya, eh?
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah, I used to walk past his place all the time.
Yo, you're talking so much shit right now.
Move to me.
You ain't got
Come
to
to me,
lie,
come to me.
Craig. You ain't gotta lie.
Come to me, bro. Broski.
What do you want from us, fuck yeah?
Recruit, we gotta go up there.
Ray, hold my pocket.
Come over here.
Hold my pocket.
Wow.
She's in a jail.
Hold my
Not
pocket.
in it anymore, eh? DGK not in it anymore. Holding pockets.
He's the main pocket fella.
You got 3 pockets, eh?
Man, I'm running away from
One
your
in your
ass.
hallway.
Chill.
Oh shit, real
Imagine
people.
someone
Real people, bro, I'm about to die.
Imagine someone touching
No.
you, you know, your holes, all your holes, and then they smell it and they just start gagging it. Imagine that. What'd you do?
You seen when that Sheila gets lifted up and the lady puts it straight back down?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've seen that. Smelled that
That's
ass.
not
and was
mommy.
like,
That's
hell
not
no.
mommy. If it's not mommy, don't answer it. That's fucking randoms. Okay?
What?
No, I'm talking to my son. I'm sorry.
Oh, you have kids? Goddamn.
Come on, man. You got babies
Yeah,
too,
man, kill
right?
them all, dude.
Oh, you know. You gotta do it now.
How many you got? Fuck yeah, how many kids?
What
How many
about No, come on now.
For shizzle!
Enemy UAV is online.
Yo, I surrounded. Surround 5 too.
I'm gonna say 5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get
Nope.
6.
Nope.
How many then?
I got 2 girls and 2
Ten?
boys.
Twins?
No, it's just different. 2 years apart.
Same baby mama?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm loyal. I ain't just trying to fuck around and die, you know?
Then why are you sending them dick pics to Ren at night?
What do you say? What the fuck? No, you tripping, bro. You're out of a different zone.
You sending all of that shit. You
No, I ain't
all.
saying shit. You tripping, bro. What the
I
fuck
heard
is
it.
this? No, don't lie, please.
I seen it.
No, I ain't saying shit. I know what you talking about. I'm sorry.
Don't pay no attention.
Ren
to her.
got
She
her
just
whole
talks
wax
shit.
for you, and you just deny her like that.
You're gonna get fucking knocked out in a minute.
You tripping. You're cool though. It's all good. We got good team.
Yeah. We the best. We're
We're
best
the
friends
best
that anyone can
music.
have.
Yo, where's Meanie? What is
go.
his name? Meanie Michal or something? The guy that always
Ninja
played with
Grandma?
us too. No. I ain't gonna ask you no damn question no more.
You're not answering any more questions.
Enemy movement. Scratch that.
Right there. On top.
See, you made Ray mad.
What? No, I ain't mad. No, I ain't mad. No, I will never be offended
How
on your
old is
mouth,
you?
alright? I'm 29.
Toad out. Why don't you
Oh,
make like a
fair.
tree?
There's people over here. I need support, bro. I'm about to die. No.
You're right. Go on, big boy.
That's
You
real
wanna
people
steal people's
too.
kills? You wanna work your own kills now?
Hang on, I'm just paying my respects to...
Oh, now you thought you gonna kill me, don't you, huh? Hey, no, motherfucker.
Where was he, fuck
Did you get killed by a bot?
No, that's a real people. You didn't hear me? How, what the fuck? That's a stapler, bro. I die on a stapler, bro. Somebody use a fucking wood stapler.
You can come back to your house.
Alright.
Are they on the
There's someone
roof?
in here, Mooch? No, there's someone in here.
Alright.
We are here. Come on, beat the fuck out of him now.
Mooch, he's upstairs, he's upstairs. I'm scared, he's coming down.
You wanna push in there, big shot?
Oh, Ethan, cool.
Thought you were in there.
Go grab more candies, Ethan.
I ran so fucking
Did you guys
fast.
kill them? No, they're still here.
Where the fuck did you go, cunt? Yeah, I hope he fucking gets you. Big hole.
Dang
If
it.
he was right there with me, we could have killed him. We could have grabbed his dick and twisted it.
Oh my god, you tripping, bro.
Why did
Chill
you
the
just
fuck
keep
out,
running? You just
please.
stood there.
You fucked up my shit. Oh my god.
You
bro.
fucked that up. You wanna stand around for him to smell your hole?
Wait, I'm gonna die,
Yeah,
okay?
because I need confirmation that it doesn't stink. Tia, does it stink? Tia, stink?
You wanna know how?
Oh, you thought you were gonna leave, don't you? That's the guy who killed me. Bitch!
Hey, are y'all
Bitch.
cool? Can I go back and get my shit, hoes?
Yeah, you can come and get this.
You're gonna
Fuck
get
is
this
that?
fucking. You gotta get this knuckle
The gun.
sandwich.
The gun for you didn't
Who took my
see
sniper? Which one of you dead dogs took my
No,
shit?
no, I didn't use snipers.
You took my sniper and left me this shitty one. Be fast, guys. You can't just greedy dogs. I'm fucking sick of this.
I'm fucking
Hey, son, you
sick of
good?
you.
Alright.
Wait, where's my shit? My shit better be
Bro, these
there.
motherfuckers cleaned it out. These motherfuckers cleaned it out. Took everything.
Yo, bro.
They just raided the fuck up. We supposed to be a team. They're sitting there robbing us.
Yo, I said I
Who
ain't getting
left that
shit.
shitty kilo?
Oh shit, who's shooting at you?
Not
Oh,
me.
you got it.
You did, eh? You rat.
People, real people here. Real people here. By station. Thanks for the friend. Allies, thank you.
You're welcome. Always.
Somebody shooting me, bro. I'm about to die. Yo, bro. He running. He dying.
Where's he getting it from? Fuck yeah, run.
Never mind, he died.
Hitting you from the back.
Yeah, that's what he did.
Can they really smell that nasty musty shit if it stank?
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck?
If you
gotta-
farted,
yeah,
can they
you
smell
gotta-
that shit?
Probably.
Let's go for a UAV or something.
So right, I always put this like raspberry oil all in my holes so the back shots smell juicy, delicious.
Alright, I'm popping a UAV right now. Oh, somebody's right here, bro. Oh, right there, sir. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a whole squad outside of the area. Like that's a real people right there. Yeah, I need that. I need that.
Where's the precision?
Oh, there's the money if you want it. I give you all of it. All right.
Wait.
Oh, there's a whole team here. Woo! I'm about to squish some of them.
I got
That's
a
our
fucking
real
precision.
people, bro.
Where are they?
I'm sorry, guys. You guys have a good plan, okay? That's why you die. Hey, one last guy.
From where?
On the buy station.
Fuck, I gotta use my last shit from there.
He's running away, bro. Oh, he's a pussy, bro. Look at him. You funny, man. I'm sending a kill streak over there. I wish you the best. You gotta run. Oh, you run. Yeah, open it. Huh? What do you say? Wait, open. Mommy come.
Widows?
No.
He's coming back, he's coming back.
Someone's coming right. They might steal that.
Where the fuck are they?
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Nice. There's gonna be people behind us because they went with their car.
Yeah, they're probably gonna try to loop around.
Who the fuck is shooting at my car ass? Is this a smoke grenade? Yeah, I might take that though. Oops. They're in behind us.
Gulag locked down. Area's clear. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is closing in. Down to 10. Win this thing. crates have been restocked. Load up. Enemy UAV is online.
Enemy movement in the AO. Enemy movement.
Leave no one behind.
What have been doing?
Yeah, I'll probably get off too.
Alright, alright.
Alright.
Chi.
Catch you
night,
later.
yous.
Alright. See ya.
Please, someone help! I really need to pee. Maybe the boys' bathroom is open. Ladies, please let me in just this time. No! Please, someone save me!
Let's connect numbers with Tung Tung Sahur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's so easy. Oh, how? Again, Tung Tung Sahur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's so easy, guys. I will win. No! Again. By the way, if you love Tung Tung Sahur, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Oh no. Let's connect.
Ma. Oh, honey, come here. Corpse is about to say his first word. Ma. Come on, you can do it, honey. Ma.
Mother.
Oh. What was that?
Hola, mama.
What is going on?
Me trajiste la vida.
How do you know Spanish?
Por eso te amo.
Well, see, now that was kind of sweet. Still very terrifying for a baby, but sweet.
Darkness.
Oh my God, honey.
And so I've knocked him out now, and I'm going to take revenge.
Going back. Are you ready, Watermelonisha? Whee! Watermelonisha, where'd you go? Watermelonisha? Watermelonisha, where are you? Has anyone seen my daughter? Unbelievable, Watermelonisha. Leave my daughter alone. Come on, Watermelonisha, let's go. Watermelonisha, I'm gonna need you to pick. Are you gonna stay with Pineapple Orange or go home with Dad? Oh, okay. I tried to give you the best life I could. But yes, you taste good. We gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment. So glad I got to know you. Time that we had. Fine. She decided what she wants to do. What was that? Are you ready, Watermelonisha? Whee! Watermelonisha, where'd you go? Watermelonisha? Watermelonisha, where are you? Has anyone seen my daughter? Unbelievable, Watermelonisha. Leave my daughter alone. Come on, Watermelonisha, let's go. Watermelonisha, I'm gonna need you to pick.
Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, I'm home. Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig.
Peppa!
George?
He's behind
Looks like I missed a piggy.
Shrek, you killed my family.
Brr, brr, patapim. Ballerina cappuccina. Tung 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 sahur. Boneka Ambalabu. Bombardiro crocodilo. Lirili larila. Brr brr patapim. All'allero trallalla. Porcodino e porcodino. 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 All'allero.
Mom, I'm thirsty. Go ask your sister to make you some Kool-Aid. Okay, I will. Mama said make me some Kool-Aid right now. It's all about to make Kool-Aid. Do you need help with anything? Go. Band-Aids. All right. Another one. What?
The first question, who's this?
It's the best. It's the day you were born. Time for us to blow the birthday horn.
If you get it right, hit that subscribe button.
It's the best. It's the day you were born. Time for us to blow the birthday horn.
Round 2, listen carefully to this voice.
Wait. Oh no. Wait.
If you got it right, make sure to like this video. Number 3, do you recognize that voice?
Where's my crown? That's my bling. Oh, it's all blowing our ring. See on the lead.
If you're right, let me know your comments.
Where's my crown? That's my bling. Oh, it's all blowing our ring. See on the lead.
We got the Happy Meal. We got the Happy Meal.
If I make it across this stage, I will reward myself.
Yes!
Oopsies! What was that? Looks like we ran over another pedestrian. What should we do? I know! Backpack!
Backpack. Anything that you may need, I got inside. Swing that through door. What the?
We accidentally flattened this man, and now we need a tool to help.
Yeah, you got like a phone in here or something, right? Dora, why did you even pack all this stuff?
Yay! Now we have all the tools we need to help us.
Dora, we have to call the cops.
If you call the cops, I'll tell them you did it.
What?
And who do you think they believe? The cute, innocent little girl? Or the creepy man dressed up as a backpack who follows her around? Now dig. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We hit the body! Dora! Oopsies! What was that? Looks like we ran over another pedestrian. What should we do? I know! Backpack!
Backpack. Anything that you may need, I got inside. Swing that through.
Price. Get up.
No!
This is how you do it.
Did I just do what I wrote?
Price. Get up.
No!
This is how you do it.
Get up, no more charge.
What the hell? What is he doing? What the hell? What is he doing?
It's raining. Today the teacher won't come.
I'm not sugarcoated. I've arrived.
It's snowing. The teacher won't come.
I never miss. This was easy.
Now this is it. It's impossible for the teacher to come.
It's a little warm, but I made it.
Like if you also have a teacher who never misses. It's raining. Today the teacher won't come.
I'm not sugarcoated. I've arrived.
It's snowing. The teacher won't come.
I never miss. This was easy.
Now this is it. It's impossible for the teacher to come.
It's a little warm, but I made it.
Like if you also have a teacher who never misses. It's raining. Today the teacher won't come.
I'm not sugarcoated. I've arrived.
It's snowing.
My name is Mama. Mama, Mama. My name is Baby. Baby, baby, baby. My name is Mama. Mama, Mama. My name is Baby. Baby, baby, baby. My name is Mama.
Pause it at the right time. A secret website link will appear granting you an unlimited number of Robux. Pause it at the right time. A secret website link will appear granting you an unlimited number of Robux. Pause it at the right time. A secret website link will appear granting you an unlimited number of Robux.
Who's moving this?
It's not me.
Wait, guys, look what it's spelling. B O O. Who's moving this?
It's not me.
Wait, guys, look what it's spelling. B O O. Who's moving this?
It's not me.
Wait, guys, look what it's spelling. B O O. Who's moving this?
It's not me.
Wait, guys, look what it's spelling. B O O.
Find Ronaldo. Find Georgina. Find Messi. Find Ronaldo. Find Georgina. Find Messi. So give me a reason why Messi better than Ronaldo. Give me a reason.
Because he's not about to keep the score more than Ronaldo.
So give me a reason why Messi better than Ronaldo. Give me a reason.
Because he's not about to keep the score more than Ronaldo.
So give me a reason why Messi better. He's supposed to be the strongest. I thought he would. Yo, I'm He's supposed to be the strongest. I thought he would. Yo, I'm
Dad,
Yeah, Dad.
I see my brother with this flat, fat, musty, crusty looking nose. And they're like, oh,
I'm with your mom.
your dad. Dad,
Yeah, Dad.
I see my brother with this flat, fat, musty, crusty looking nose. And they're like, oh,
I'm with your mom.
your dad. Dad,
Yeah, Dad.
I see.
Super Saiyan is like.
Until I say what you did. Speak up and use the right words. I'll be here if you need me. Remember what you said earlier about kicking little girl? That hurt. I didn't say anything mean. The way you said it hurt because we are girls. I explained he was kicking the one who started it. You could have said that instead.
you.
Hey, Omoberry. Today someone said something about the way I look that made me feel sad and confused. I'm sorry that you're feeling blue, but you're already perfect the way